Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Cadillac CTS key fob. First, locate the small button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key blade. Once released, gently pull the emergency key blade completely out of the fob. This action reveals a small slot, which is crucial for the next step in opening the casing. It's a simple first step to access the internal components. Now that the emergency key is removed, you'll see a small slot inside. Carefully insert a thin, flat tool, like a small screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, into this slot. Gently twist or pry the tool to begin separating the two halves of the key fob casing. Work slowly and apply steady, even pressure around the seam to avoid damaging the plastic. The goal is to unclip the halves without forcing them. With the key fob open, you'll see the coin cell battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Most Cadillac CTS key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction, typically upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality for your key fob. To reassemble your key fob, carefully align the two halves of the casing. Make sure all the internal components are properly seated before pressing them together. Apply gentle, even pressure around the edges until you hear and feel them click securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks. Your Cadillac CTS key fob is now ready for use with a fresh battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.